Hey, so if you're spending too much time on repetitive tasks in Zoho CRM, yeah, automation can save you a ton of effort. In this guide, I'll show you how to automate tasks step by step. Alright, first, log into your Zoho CRM account using your credentials. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click on Setup. This is where all automation tools are located. Now, under the Automation section, click on Workflow Rules. This is where you create automated actions. Click Create Rule, then choose the module like Leads or Deals, depending on what you want to automate. Next, define when the automation should run. For example, when a new lead is created or when a deal reaches a certain stage. Here's the important part. Choose what happens automatically. You can assign tasks, send emails, or update fields, whatever fits your workflow. Once everything looks good, hit Save and make sure the rule is activated. Otherwise, it won't run. Finally, test your workflow by creating a sample record. This helps you confirm everything is working as expected. And yeah, that's it. Automating tasks in Zoho CRM can seriously boost your productivity once it's set up right.